Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. So for online learning today, we're going to learn how to describe a recipe in spoken language. So the task that you gotta do today is to make a video. So I want you to record a video, and in the video you have to describe a recipe orally. And the way we describe a recipe is definitely different from what we read in a recipe, because there are some improvisation, certain expressions that we need to use. And let me give you an example how to describe a recipe in spoken language. Alright class, this time I'm gonna tell you how to make novel apple pudding. And before we make novel apple pudding, we have to prepare some ingredients. There are around 6 ingredients that we need to prepare. The first is 4 green apples. We need to peel them, core them, and slice them thickly. And the second, we have to buy a quarter cup or 45 grams of self-raising flour. And after we buy it, and then we sift the flour. And the third is we have to buy 60 grams of butter or margarine. And after we buy it, we cube the butter and the margarine. And the fourth is we need to buy a half cup or 100 grams of castor sugar. And the last is we need to have 1 1/4 cups or 300 milliliters of water. And the steps that we have to do in order to make novel apple pudding is, first, we need to place apple in a heat-proof dish, and then we need to place flour in a bowl. After that, we rub in margarine with a spatula. And the second step that we really need to do is we have to stir in sugar and water, and the mixture should be lumpy. And after that, pour over apples. And the third step is we have to bake at 180 degrees Celsius for an hour, or until syrupy and golden, serve warm with cream or ice cream. And the portion of pudding can be served for 6 people. And the time we really need to have for the preparation of the pudding is around 15 minutes. And the cooking time will take around 60 to 70 minutes. Alright, so that's the example how to describe a recipe orally. And the next thing that you gotta do is to take any recipe and then describe it orally like I do. And I think I've already given you an example. Alright, good luck. Thank you for watching this video. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.